Find or read reviews that people are talking about Abestorm air scrubber commercial with UVC light. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Why you choose Abestorm air scrubber commercial with UVC light. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Newly upgraded 5-layer filtration system. The air scrubbers have 5-stage air filtration system with MERV 10 pre-filter, H13 HEPA/activated carbon, UVC light and negative ion. It can remove 97% of particles that have a size greater than or equal to 0. 3 micrometers. Suitable for purifying the bad air from in a hospital room or children's bedrooms. Using on dusty construction sites, mainly interior renovation and demolition. Commercial air scrubber and negative air machine. HEPA UVIG air purifiers are designed for a wide range of cleaning, suitable for whole house, commercial and industrial applications. It can remove harmful airborne particles including smoke, pet dander, pollen, allergens, and dust and others. Aluminium profile. HEPA UVIG air scrubber is very resistant to oxidation and corrosion, so it can also be used for water/fire damage restoration, home repair, and sewage remediation. You can also easily access its interior for its maintenance because of the special nature of its material. UVC light technology, built-in ionizer. The newly commercial air scrubber has built-in UVC light technology and ionizer highest output of up to 30 million negative ions per second. They are used in conjunction with HEPA filters to enhance the air purification effect effectively. The maximum usable area of the air scrubber is 800 square feet. Convenient for your use. Handle design and optional caster is convenient for you to move and use the unit. Circuit breaker switch protection ensures your safe use of this air scrubbers. The control panel is straightforward and easy to operate. It adopts a variable speed design that meets 260 to 600 CFM variable airflow control. You can daisy chain up to 3 air scrubbers. The combined airflow speed is 1800 CFM. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends, and important. Don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.